If you think a career as a truck driver is only for men, think again. My mom shattered a stereotype as a female truck driver. Raising 4 kids on her own, she found her passion on the open road. For her and others, trucking is so much more than just a job. It's a fantastic career. Before trucking, my mom hustled with multiple jobs, barely getting by financially. When she became a truck driver, she earned better money, was able to work just one job, and it also allowed her kids to join her on the journey. Believe it or not, there are companies that support women drivers, letting them have their kids along for the ride. Some trucker parents even homeschool on the go, allowing them to spend quality time with the kids while earning great money. Here at Masters Trucking Academy, we empower women to break barriers and be in the driver's seat for their futures. So join us to earn more and enjoy a great career. Trucking is not just a job, it's a life-changing opportunity.